see all the pictures of myself living life without you, just feels so wrong. I want you to be here with me. I know it sounds crazy. I miss your laugh and I miss everything we used to be. And even if it is just for a while, God, please give us the time. I can't deal with the reality. There's nothing left that I can do, 'cause my heart is just missing you.